This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
Back again with yet another new show with a new guest and the show's name is बधाई हो. बधाई दे रही हूँ आज रोजी मल्होत्रा को, जो कि ऑफलाइन मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट में काम कर रही हैं गुड़गांव में. एंड yes, it's barely been 4 months since she's joined MMT. रोजी, a warm welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Anit.
रोजी, ये आपका पहला ट्रैवल जॉब है, राइट?
Yes, पहला ट्रैवल जॉब है. This is like my first company in the travel field.
अच्छा, ट्रैवल में आने के लिए तो ट्रैवल करने के लिए पहली बात तो लोगों को वी आर रेडी टू लीव एवरीथिंग बिहाइंड एंड गो ट्रैवल. क्या आपका भी कुछ ऐसे ही हाल है?
Actually, I love traveling and past couple of years I've been traveling to quite few places and I've traveled solo also. I
काफी कहानियां हैं आपसे मुझे जानने के लिए.
Yes, I hopefully.
तो फिर इतनी सारी चीजें करने को मिलता है जब आप ट्रैवल करते हो, और अब आप खुद ट्रैवल कंपनी में है तो आपको पीछे क्या क्या चलता है, क्या हो रहा है, ये भी जानने का मौका मिल रहा है. आई एम श्योर यू एंजॉयिंग योर टाइम हियर.
Yes, definitely I am enjoying, and the best part is, as you know, that I am from the marketing team and basically in the content department for the holidays vertical. So whenever I'm writing content, I get to know a lot of things about different places. It's basically like I virtually visit those places.
Nice.
And it's good. It's literally, to be honest, the best perk of working in that team.
I mean, yeah, holidays, इससे ज्यादा अच्छा और एक्साइटिंग क्या हो सकता है?
ब्रो, पीपीटी बना ली? अब मूड भी बना लो फन करने का हमारे साथ.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
On the show with Rosie Malhotra for बधाई हो, और इन्हें तो बधाई दे ही रही हूँ because she's just joined MMT and she says this is her first travel job. She's having a really good time. तो रोजी, इंडक्शन और इमर्शन प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में बताइए. मैंने तो MMT के इन प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में इतना कुछ सुना है और सब पॉजिटिव ही सुना है. आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा है?
There is like hardly a negative thing to say about immersion and induction program. So first I had my induction and it was a day-long event and I got to know like in brief about the things about what my role would be and like the nitty-gritties of the office. But in immersion, it was a detailed event, like a week-long event. If I talk about 2 to 3 plus points of that session. So that would be, I got to meet all the L team members and all the, including the founders. We interacted with them. We had beautiful sessions with them, informative. And the other part is, being in a content team, I would hardly go for a market visit, right? During that immersion session, we went out and I visited a hotel.
Nice.
And that was good. I got to know what happens behind the scenes.
Absolutely. So it was a lovely experience and I'm sure this is something that kind of makes you ready to do whatever work comes your way at MMT, and you are also excited and kind of looking forward to it, है ना?
Yes, definitely. Yes.
चलिए इसी बात पर एक quick rapid fire round हो जाए. Are you ready for this?
Yes, I am.
The rapid fire round.
What food can you not live without? इसके बगैर तो आप जी ही नहीं सकते.
Momo.
हाँ.
Yes, I am a huge momo lover.
क्या आप खुद बनाते भी हैं?
Yes, lockdown में. Yes, I have.
देख लिया था.
Like quite a few times I have, yeah.
अच्छा, अब बताइए 5 चीजें जो आपको बहुत खुश कर देती है.
Like being with my family, of course, and enjoying my me time, traveling, and music, of course, music. And you can say like food and exploring and sometimes work also. Yeah, these things. Not 5, but I have.
Yeah, you actually given me 5. More than 5, yeah. So cool. Okay, tell me the weirdest joke you've ever heard.
Can I tell you a lame joke that I heard recently?
Yes, please.
there was this, I don't know, I was like say scrolling and I saw a video, a reel, that there was this joke ki you have something on your face. And people were like, what is my face? Oh, you have your nose on your face. And that was the lamest joke I've ever heard, ever. So bad.
अच्छा,
Yeah.
आप गूगल सर्च तो करती रहती हैं, आपका लास्ट गूगल सर्च क्या था?
My last two, actually, I'm working on a work-related thing. It's for basically Kedarnath, something related to Kedarnath only.
Nice, nice. One thing you'll never do again.
That's a difficult question, Annie. Actually, I would do everything again. I
Oh,
haven't
that
done
is so
anything that I
sweet.
regret.
बहुत अच्छी बात है. अच्छा, what did you learn recently?
I learned downloading movies from torrent. I don't know, it's a basic or simple thing, but I didn't know, and I learned it from my friend. So yeah,
Very good.
That would
Very,
be a
very
good
good.
thing.
Last question, what's the best technology out there today according to you?
देखो, see, I'm a writer, so that would be, tools to refine the content. Those tools, be it GPT, be it Grammarly, those are the things that I really, admire, and they're very helpful.
Very
Not
good.
misusing it, but yeah, they're very helpful.
Very, very good.
बाकी सब ठीक, बस चल रहा है। गो MMT रेडियो पे मस्त मस्त गाने। बाकी सब ठीक, बस चल रहा है।
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गोट ट्रिपर हुआ है।
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
On the show with Rosie Malhotra today for बधाई हो, उन्हें बधाई दे रही हूँ. ऑफलाइन मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट में है, कंटेंट पर ध्यान देती है, हॉलीडेज वर्टिकल में है, एंड शी इज बेस्ड आउट ऑफ गुड़गांव. सो नाउ रोजी, टेल मी, when it comes to solo trips, the one that you made to Kasol for instance or anywhere else, that must have been unique, क्योंकि एक तो अकेले जा रहे हो. क्या आप नर्वस थी?
Yeah, actually, because you hear a few stories about Kasol, that anything can happen. Kasol is not a famous place for solo visitors. So I went out of my comfort zone, visited Kasol right before joining this company, MMT. Actually, it was good. It was I visited the famous Mall Road and had amazing momo. Kasol ke momos are amazing. I'm telling you, you must. If anybody is visiting Kasol, please do try momo. And I spent time exploring, just walking the lanes, exploring a few gardens, and sitting by the lake. It was so good. It was really good.
तो फिर सेफ ही है कसोल, कोई सोलो ट्रिप कर सकता है.
It was a myth that Kasol is not safe for solo travelers. It is safe.
और आप रही कहाँ थी?
There was a hostel by the name Art Bus, and it's good. But just by the lakeside, I had that amazing lake view and mountain view. It was good.
लेक व्यू एंड माउंटेन व्यू, ऐसी जगह तो इतनी जल्दी मिलती नहीं और आपको मिल गई. दैट इज सो कूल यार.
Yeah, so good.
तो मुझे लगता है मेक माई ट्रिपर, क्योंकि खास आप हॉलीडेज में हैं और आप कंटेंट भी लिखती हैं, आप किसी से मिलते हो अगर इसके बाहर भी, ऑफिस के बाहर भी, तो आप सजेस्ट तो करती हैं कि देयर आर सम रियली गुड प्लेसेस दैट वन कैन गो टू एंड यू कैन फील सेफ आल्सो सच प्लेसेस, राइट?
Yes, definitely.
तो सोलो ट्रिप करने के लिए खास करके लड़कियों के लिए कौन सी और सेफ जगह हैं? अभी आप 4 महीने MMT में भी रही हैं, तो कुछ जगहों का नाम बताइए, 2-3 जगहों का नाम बताइए दैट वी कैन एक्सप्लोर.
So if you like mountains, of course you can visit. There are plenty of places like Shimla and Manali. They are good. They are like cliche options, but they are so good. And the other option is Jaipur. Jaipur is really good for solo travels. And
और वहाँ शॉपिंग भी बहुत कर सकते हैं ना?
Yes, that's a really good point. You can shop your heart out. And
what about लखनऊ? लखनऊ में भी मैंने सुना है कि शॉपिंग खूब हो सकती है और खाना भी बहुत बढ़िया मिलता है.
Authentic Lucknowi cuisine and the most important thing, chicken curry kurtis. Oh, I love them.
चलिए, कुछ जगह है तो सही जहाँ पर हम जा सकते हैं. कुछ नहीं, मेरा ख्याल है ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री भी काफ़ी चेंज हो चुका है और आजकल काफ़ी सेफ हो चुका है फॉर पीपल टू ट्रैवल अलोन.
PPT और ChatGPT में फर्क समझ नहीं आता?
छोटी बच्ची हो क्या? Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गोट ट्रिपर हुआ है।
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
ऑन द शो बधाई हो विद रोजी मल्होत्रा, ऑफलाइन मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट में है, गुड़गांव से है. रोजी, बकेट लिस्ट पर कौन सी चीजें हैं आपकी? मतलब जगह कौन सी हैं, कहाँ जाना चाहेंगी? 2 जगहों का नाम बताइए.
So yeah, that would be Vietnam and Istanbul. But there is this
Nice.
one place that has recently been added to my list. That's Baku. I really want to visit Baku. Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard good things about all these places. Very, very good
And
things.
I have that, a purpose to visit Baku. I'm a huge F1 Formula 1 fan. So yeah, there is this race happens in Baku. I really want to witness that race.
Oh, that is so cool. चलिए, never have I ever round हो जाए. Are you ready for this?
Yes, I am.
The rapid fire round.
Never have I ever seen a ghost.
No, I have never. And I seriously don't plan to. Yeah.
Never have I laughed so hard I spit out my drink.
Actually, I have.
Okay. Never have I ever pretended to be on the phone.
Oh, I have. Just for quite a few people, I have. Yeah.
Never have I ever met a celebrity.
Actually, I have. I have met a few, like a couple of writers and some YouTubers and maybe somebody from the television. Yeah, I have.
Oh, nice. Writers में से किसका नाम बताइए आप?
I met Durjoy Datta.
Nice.
Yes.
Never have I ever read an entire book in a day.
I have a literature background.
Nice.
So yeah, I have. During my exams, I actually have read a few books in just a day. Or
Very good. Never have I ever cheated on a test.
Oh, I have. I have.
Never have I ever used a fake ID.
No, I have not. No.
Never have I ever gotten into a physical fight.
Physical fight, no. Verbal, yes. But physical fight, if you include like the sibling fights, then of course yes.
Okay. Never have I ever gone on a blind date.
No, I have not. No.
Oh. Never have I ever had a crush on a teacher.
No, actually, no.
Oh. Never have I ever broken a bone.
Broken a bone.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have. Yeah.
Oh. ये कब हुआ था?
ये हुआ था back in like last year June में, right before my sister's wedding.
Oh.
So I like had a fall on the stairs and I broke my I had a little fracture on my tailbone. Yeah. It was
So it was painful.
painful. Yeah.
Never have I ever Googled myself.
Oh, I have.
Yeah. What did you
I
find?
have. Actually, that's an interesting thing. Back in like my college days or school days, there was this app called Your Quote. So I used to write I write poetry. So I used to write poetry. I used to do a lot of like 2-3 liners and everything. So Your Quote में क्या होता है? When you upload, तो वो Google पे reflect कर सकता है. So yeah. And LinkedIn profiles also.
चलिए, उसी के साथ नेवर हैव आई एवर तो खत्म होता है, क्योंकि आपने मेंशन किया है पोएट्री. 2-3 लाइन जरूर सुनाइएगा.
Actually, it's been a while like since I've written for myself. थोड़ा सा राइटर ब्लॉक हो जाता है खुद के बारे में लिखने में. तो there's this poem that I wrote and मैंने इमर्शन में भी अपना I remember मैंने इमर्शन में भी थोड़ा सा रिसाइट किया था. तो it's a long poem by the name कौन हूँ मैं, क्या है मेरी पहचान, किसी की हूँ बेटी तो हूँ किसी का मान. एंड इट गोज लाइक इट्स अ लॉन्ग फुल पेज का पोएम.
हाँ, पर आपने 2-3 लाइन तो सुनाई, ये तो बहुत खूबसूरत थी. वेल, इट वाज रियली नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू रोजी, एंड आई विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
थैंक यू सो मच. Nice talking to you, Annie.
Likewise, I wish you all the success here at MMT, and I hope to see you growing to great heights.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Well, this is बधाई हो on Go MMT Radio. रोजी मल्होत्रा के साथ थी मैं. आपने एंजॉय किया ही होगा गो ट्रिपर्स. इसी के साथ शो तो खत्म होता है, and I will be back on Go MMT again, of course, with yet another show. This is your host Annie signing off. Till we meet next time, keep smiling.
Be curious to know how things work. Be creative by constantly looking for newer, better ways of achieving results. Be genuine in your care, be it for your colleagues, customers, or business. Hi, I'm Deep, and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.